This is a screencast on giving anonymous feedback or how to set up a document for anonymous feedback or silent feedback in Google Docs. Why would you want to do that? It allows for more honest feedback that's where students can be really critical with each other, and it's not based on relationships. If you don't know who you're paired with, you're just reading the essay or the writing prompt. Students tend to be a little more open and critical when they don't judge themselves based on where they rank inside their classroom. It also gives equal voice to quiet kids. A lot of times when you're doing a group activity or having some interaction, your quiet students will not speak up when they have something really valid to say. So this is another way you can use this to give voice. And also just will save time and allows you to do some strategic pairing, and we'll get into all those little things real quick. So there's two kind of big things you can do with this. You can use it for feedback, editing, peer work, and you can also use it for brainstorming and just collaboration. So here's how you set this up. Let's say for this example, we're going to have students paste they wrote a little story or a response, and they're going to paste it here, and it's going to be edited by another student. So what I like to do is set up the template with a little bit of instructions on it. This is just a Google Doc, and the student will paste their story here. The other student will add comments in red. If you use the comment button, which is cool, and you can do a lot of cool things with that, then it shows who left the comment, and that kind of negates the anonymous part of it. So what you need to do is update your settings. So let's finish that. Oops. Now it's fixed. All right. We're going to update our settings here. So click the share button. Then you need to click this advanced key right here. This will open up some new settings. And then again, you want to click change on the access. And I like to change it to anyone with the link can access it. And then you need to change down here so anybody with the link can edit it. So this opens it wide open to anybody who can edit this. So usually what I do now is I'll make a couple copies of this document. Easy to copy. Just right click, make a copy. So when you're using this, you have this folder already set up. You have all of your collaborative documents in there. You usually have to go back in and change your permissions per document, which can take a minute. So you right click on there. Oops, wrong button. Share, advanced, anyone with a link can edit, so on. And you have 10 or so of these documents in here. And then what you do is you just pair people together by random. So if you have pieces of paper or dice, and you have two of each piece of paper, and everybody just takes a piece of paper. So you know I'm number one, and this is the other number one. They won't know who each other are. They will enter into here, paste their document, and it's already ready to go. It's already opened up. You can edit this. Anybody can add anything. So all the permissions are done. It's already pre-set up. And then you can have the students edit it, and then you could rotate, have other people edit it as well. With any skill or new tool, you have to make sure you train your kids, make sure they understand the expectations, and you want to model it several times. Explain how important this feedback is. It's an added layer of critical notes that students can learn from. Giving feedback is just as important as receiving the feedback. Just train your students and make sure they understand your expectations. And the first time you do it, make it small and simple so it's really effective and everybody has a positive experience. And the more you will do it, the more the students will be used to doing it, and it just becomes part of your instructional tool set. All right, good luck.